Hi, this is Bhaskar here. So good to see you in our APMP Capture Practitioner certification page. First of all, well done you. This is a unique certification for unique people like you. So if you're considering to take Capture Practitioner and you have any doubts regarding the exam, please scroll down and you will find as much information about the Capture Practitioner certification. So what comes with the Baachu Practitioner certification training course? It includes 45 video lessons covering key competency areas of all the Capture Practitioner syllabus. Then it also includes live webinar series where we also take up the sample questions and we distill the sample questions and understand why this is the right answer in a live environment. Don't worry, if you miss the live webinars, you will still have access to the recording. Also, the material is not restricted for you. You have lifetime access to our Capture Practitioner certification course so that you could review, refresh, and retrain yourself as much as you want and then take up the exam. Course starts first Friday of every month. So we are going to work together in a small group of people, give them the tools, give them the sample papers, give them the guides, and prepare them for that month. Then we move into the next batch. So you could always join all the webinars that goes live, and the recordings will also be available. But just to let you know, the course starts first Friday of every month. So if you need more information, scroll through and get information, reach out to us. Otherwise, please click and register, reserve your spot, and I'll see you inside Scribble. Let's start the Capture Practitioner training together. Take care. Bye-bye.